Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Dust Pumpkin. If you're new here, I'm Harshini V and I'm so glad you're here today. Another day, another sick person. If you guys have been following my previous vlogs, you know that I've been on about getting a job for like a month or even before that. And the day has come, you guys. I have finally been offered a job and I'm going to start working there next week. I will be staying at my brother's place, which is only 20 minutes away from my place, but 20 minutes is a lot that I can save from traveling for work. So it's a moving vlog. I have so much to pack but so little time, so this is not the best scenario, but I'm just gonna appreciate that we finally got a job. Today's a Wednesday and I'm gonna go shop with my mom. We're gonna get all the clothes and the things that we need for work, so let's go.
At all, but why is it always close, ranging from a movie scene?
Hello you guys, it is a Friday and I'm freaking out because I have to pack everything I've got at home and I'll be leaving tomorrow. Before I pack, I want to show you all the things that I bought, do a little haul for you guys. The first thing I got is a water bottle. This is Bros water bottle. Then we have my bag. I love this bag. It is so simple and it's very slim. It's not so bulky. There's just two zip, one in the back, one in front, and there is a space to put your bottle each side, so it's pretty much perfect for me. I love the material. I don't know if you can actually see. Next, I got shoes and both of these are from Bata. This flat is black and it has like this gold details thingy, like a little chain that just pops up the entire shoe. This is also another flat and it is a little like dusky pink. It also has this very gold strap here. It's very cute. I love it. Then I went to Elle. Honestly, if you guys need work pants, go to Elle and buy them. Like, they're so comfortable and they're gonna last you long, I'm pretty sure. Back in Aeon, I actually got two blouses. This one is a black one with pink flowers, but this one is in pink and it has blue leaves. Then I got to Padini and bought this blouse. It's just a white one with black stripes. Finally, we went to Watson's. Like, of course we did. The first thing I got is cotton pad. It actually came in 3 big packets. My mom already stole one. I got a protective face mask and I got them in white. Toothbrush, shampoo and conditioner, micellar water, Maybelline Fit Me powder, Maybelline Hyper Sharp eyeliner, Maybelline Lash Sensation. Then I got an eyebrow pencil. This is a slim liner in the shade dark brown. Surprise, surprise, that is all the things that I got from Watson's. I didn't buy much this time, which is, growth, I guess. So let's get packing.
Valentino, slip me on and take me home. Take me home. Let me pull you closer, spending too much time alone. I can't stop the feeling in my heart. Oh, oh, oh. I can't stop the feeling once it starts. Oh, oh, oh. So if you wanna run away with me,
Okay guys, so this is my temporary room just for a while until I find a place closer to work. So that's the door. I have a mattress, I have a table, and then we have this chair which is amazing. Like, it's like this very comfortable gaming chair. It's perfect. And look at this view. You can literally see the entire city. But yeah, this is like my little space and I'm excited to decorate this new space. Let me try sitting on this thing. Oh sister, look at that. I'm so comfortable. That was the word. I was gonna say sleepy, but that's not the motive of this chair. It's so comfortable. Oh my god. Bro. Yeah, I can definitely see myself working with this. I'm so glad I have a little, like, not little, a gigantic window, you guys. It's time to unpack and decorate and get everything set up for myself, so let's go.
Be my one-shot free throw, I'll sink it every time. Dripping like sands in Puerto Rico, best night of our lives. Big bully at casino, hit the jackpot with me by your side. Wherever you wanna go, we can dance like it's 99. I can't stop the feeling in my heart.
You guys, it took us unbelievably long to fix this wardrobe. This is how she looks like. So basically, it has a space for the hangers, like that. Middle section is for like a drawer situation, and the last situation, last one is also for hangers, which I've not hung anything up yet. This is how she looks, and then I'll just zip it up so it doesn't get dusty or anything. Of course, it's a temporary thing, but
Cause once it starts, we can dance, 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 dance. We can dance again, and we can dance, 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 dance. We can dance again, and we can dance again, and we can dance, 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 dance. We can dance again.
hey, baby. Alright, so this is my room. I have my mattress down there. DIY wardrobe. Mirror. Wait, mirror. Study table. Then over here is my little space where I keep my watch and bracelet and perfume, my tissue. Over here is where I keep my mask, my skincare, makeup bag, contact lens, sponge, more skincare, trash bag, random stuff, pouch, and yeah, random stuff. You guys, that is my little space, my little home for some time. I will be ending the vlog here right now because I have work tomorrow and I have to like take a shower and get things sorted. I will see you guys in my upcoming vlogs very, very soon. Until then, you take care and have a great day. This is Dust Pumpkin.